Forget Photoshop, expensive software, or sketchy, slow websites that barely work. This is one-click background removal. Fully local, completely secure, clean, professional results every single time. You can process images in bulk, no headaches, no wasted time, no extra costs. Transparent images, fur, plants, buildings, people, it doesn't matter. Everything gets a precise, high-quality background removal. And at the same time, you can enhance and upscale your images. You also get powerful options for changing backgrounds, adjusting colors, and fixing lighting, which makes this tool incredibly practical for real content workflows.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. To get started, use the link in the description and head over to the AIRD website. They actually have a full suite of tools that I've already introduced before, including image and video upscaling and enhancement tools. They're seriously powerful and very useful. I've dropped all the links below so you can check them out. But today we're focusing on AI image matting. Let's download it and test it together. The download and installation are quick and straightforward. The interface, just like the rest of AIRD's tools, is clean, simple, and easy to work with. Before you start, I recommend opening the menu on the top left and running hardware check. That way, if your GPU drivers need an update, you can do it right away and get the best possible performance. To begin, you can click here to import your images, use drag and drop, or even add an entire folder to load multiple images at once. All your images will appear at the bottom. Click on any image to preview it, check the before and after, zoom in, zoom out, and really inspect the results. From there, you just tweak the settings on the right if needed, and you're good to go. First, choose your processing hardware. As always, I recommend using the GPU for faster speed, stronger performance, and better quality. In the AI models section, you'll see 4 different options. I'll break them down one by one, so you know exactly which model works best for each type of image and delivers the best results. Now, in the AI model section, you'll see 4 different options, and this is how you should choose the right one. Alpha Standard V2. This is the most advanced model for semi-transparent subjects. It delivers better alpha refinement, cleaner hair details, and more natural blending with the background. If you're working with hair, fur, sheer fabrics, glass, or transparent objects, this is usually your best choice, and it can accurately detect the background through semi-transparent areas and keeps the result looking realistic and clean. Alpha Edge 5.2. This model is similar to Alpha Standard, but with sharper edges and lower transparency. It's ideal when you still have semi-transparent subjects or hair, but you want bolder outlines and a more defined cut. It works great for silhouettes, anime or cartoon-style images, and tattoos, where clean, sharp edges matter more than soft blending. Edge Clear V2. This model is designed for solid, non-transparent objects that require high precision and strong detail preservation. It produces very clean edges while keeping fine details intact. If you're working with vehicles, accessories, furniture, or birds with detailed textures, this model gives you the most accurate results. Solid Matte V2. Solid Matte is similar to Edge Clear, but with even sharper edges. It's best for solid objects where clarity and contrast are the priority. This model performs especially well for architectural shots, electronics, clothing, and books, where crisp edges and well-defined shapes are essential. I'll start with this image of a woman in a wedding dress, and I'll select the Alpha Standard Vi2 AI model. In most cases, I recommend enabling high precision mode, since it significantly improves accuracy and final quality. In the edit section, you have a lot of very useful tools. For example, you can enhance and upscale the image. I've already explained the AI models available in this section in detail in my previous video, which I'll link up here, so make sure to check it out. Here, you can upscale the image up to 2 times. You also have tools for rotating and flipping the image, which can be really helpful. If you enable Apply to Batch Export, all these settings will automatically be applied to every image when you export them. You can also crop the image and choose exactly which part you want in the final output. I'll test and explain the Area Select option on upcoming images, but for now, let's move on to the Refinement tab. Smooth Processing smooths object edges for a cleaner, more natural look. Best for portraits, high-resolution images, products, and soft or artistic visuals. Outline emphasis boosts edge and contour detection. Best for sharp objects, fine details, and low-contrast foregrounds and backgrounds. Balance brightness improves brightness separation between subject and background. Best for complex scenes or images with similar brightness levels. Invert alpha mask reverses the selection, keeps the background and removes or makes the subject transparent. Useful for creative effects and special compositions. Now let's check the result of the first image. The result looks great and very accurate. The transparent areas are handled perfectly with the background showing through naturally. Details like the hair and even the edges that need to stay sharp are processed cleanly and precisely. In the effects section, you can try out several options. For example, you can change the background to different colors or place the subject on a custom background image that you already have. You can also add a bit of feathering to the matted edges. You can blur the subject or the background in different ways. You can turn either of them black and white, or even apply pixelation to the subject or the background. AI Arty offers 4 essential drawing tools, including eraser, brush, dodge, and burn for precise control over transparency adjustments, blending, and depth in images. For example, Eraser tool lets you manually erase specific areas and control their transparency using the alpha value. It is perfect for fine adjustments and precise cleanup. Brush adjusts transparency by setting selected areas to a specific alpha value for precise control. Dodge gradually lowers transparency by a percentage, perfect for smooth and natural transitions. Burn gradually increases transparency by a percentage, useful for strengthening or refining visibility in specific areas. In the export settings, you can control the final output. Here, you can choose the file format and adjust the quality level to control file size and compression. You can also change the output folder from here. For now, I'll use single export and we'll test batch export later. As you can see, the export includes the alpha file along with 2 additional versions, one with a new background and one with a fully transparent background. Now let's move on to the next image and process it using the same AI model. The result is absolutely impressive. This is honestly not something you can achieve easily. All the details are preserved and the hair still looks completely natural. For the next image as well, we'll stick with Alpha Standard v2 and check the result. Now, I want to test the Area Select feature on this image since it contains multiple subjects. Here, you can use AI to automatically select different subjects, such as humans, faces, clothing, or accessories. You can also manually select one or multiple subjects yourself and remove the background. This feature is extremely practical and very professionally implemented. For this image of the girl with curly hair, I'll again use the first AI model so you can see the result. In my opinion, it performs exceptionally well, especially around the hair, where everything looks clean and flawless. For the next image, it looks like we need slightly sharper edges. So I'll switch to Alpha Edge, and since the brightness also needs a bit of adjustment, I'll enable Balance Brightness. I think the result looks solid and totally usable, but ultimately it's up to you to decide which model works best for images with this level of detail. We can also process the next image using the same AI model. Now, I want to test 2 images where background removal is usually very difficult or even seems impossible. The first one is this man surrounded by fog and mist. I'll use Alpha Edge here so you can clearly see how well it detects the subject's edges. I think you'll agree with me that the performance is outstanding, very accurate, and truly professional. Next, let's test these camels in the desert using both AI models so you can compare the results side by side. In most cases, I personally prefer and trust Alpha Standard v2. The next AI model is Edge Clear, and I've selected 3 images to test with it. The first one is furniture. It may look simple, but it's actually very practical and useful. As I mentioned earlier, this model also works great for birds and vehicles, and it performs very professionally on these types of images. The final AI model is Solid Matte v2. This one is especially useful for buildings, architectural shots, and product images like clothing. I've included a few tests here so you can see the results. Overall, I think think AIRD handles both easy and challenging images extremely well, delivering precise and professional matting results. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, stay creative,